If you live in Texas, here are 5 key points you need to know if your spouse does not reply to your divorce papers. So what should you do if you file for divorce and your spouse does not respond or do anything? Number 1, if you filed for divorce and your spouse does not file an answer, you're entitled to what's called a default divorce. You can finish your divorce without your spouse. Number 2, verify that the appropriate amount of time has passed for your spouse to file an answer. Your spouse has until the Monday after 20 days have passed to file an answer. Figure out the day your spouse was served the divorce papers. Now count 20 days, including weekends and holidays. Then go to the next Monday. This is your spouse's filing deadline. Number 3, verify the waiting period has passed. Texas has a mandatory 60-day waiting period until a divorce can be granted. This is more like a cooling off period. You're not required to go to counseling or anything of that sort. Now determine the day you filed your petition and count 60 days, including weekends and holidays. Then add an extra day. That is the day you can ask the court to grant you a default divorce. Texas law says the waiting period is a full 60 days. So the first day you can get a divorce would be the 61st day after you filed your petition. Number 4, you do not have to notify your spouse of your intent to have a default divorce hearing. Because they did not reply to the divorce papers, they are not entitled to notice of a hearing. Number 5, you still must present evidence at your default divorce hearing. So just because your spouse did not appear or never replied to papers, it doesn't mean the judge will just give you whatever you want. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you live in Texas and would like a free kit to do your own divorce, please check the description box below to sign up.